Number block division of big numbers. 1,000,000 divided by 1,000 is equals to 1,000. 800,000 divided by 1,000 is equals to 800. 600,000 divided by 1,000 is equals to 600. 100,000 divided by 1,000 is equals to 100. 90,000 divided by 1,000 is equals to 90. 70,000 divided by 1,000 is equals to 70. 2,000,000 divided by 1,000 is equals to 2,000. 10,000 divided by 1,000 is equals to 10. One thousand divided by 1,000 is equals to 1. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel Learning City. Bye.